It is practically spring here in the south, and I'm about to do the big burn of a lot of this and chip the top of the garden here to kind of prep these beds and get them ready for spring here. Got everything out, hose. But what's the newest addition to the backyard is two colonies actually of honeybees. And you can probably hear them if I get in here nice and close. Yeah, so that is going to be the newest addition to the little backyard garden, is tons of bees. So there'll be many more updates. I'm going to build some structures for them and kind of jazz up these little boxes and make them a little nicer and paint them and get them ready for full-time use out here. I'll build some shade for them for the summer, and then I'll be planting the garden as of today. I'll be bringing some seeds in and planting the first round, probably beans and peas, stuff that can handle the cold a little bit better. And boom, garden season begins with all the pollinators already in-house.